We are doing Dmr C number 2. Our key concepts that we are trying to learn is about elapsed time. I know that there are 60 minutes in every hour. I can use this knowledge to determine how many minutes have passed between time frames. So the first one we're going to do is how much time is there between 8:17 and 9 o'clock. So I'm going to ignore the o'clock part, and I'm going to concentrate on the minutes first. And I'm concentrating on the minutes because I'm going to think about this as 9 o'clock is later than 8 o'clock. So I'm going to change that to 8 o'clock with 60 minutes, which makes sense because if it were 8 o'clock, so my little hand was here, and the clock at 8 o'clock went around an entire 60 minutes, that would change it to 9 o'clock. So 8:60 is 9 o'clock. And I'm going to subtract that from 8:17. So I'm still doing the same thing. That is 9 o'clock minus 8:17. And I can't really borrow and carry, but I can because I'm thinking about this as 60 minutes instead of 10. So that's why I wrote it this way. If that was a 0, that's not really 10, it is 6. Long and complicated, but this is one way to do it. So 10 minus 7 is 3. Now I borrowed from this to make this 10. So that makes this 43. So it should be 43 minutes, but I'm going to check that with this clock, hopefully. Okay, so I'm going to put my timer at 17, which would be here. Well, here. Okay, and I'm going to count backwards by 5s because there's this extra time. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And then there's 1, 2, 3 minutes. So even that way gives me 43 minutes. So my answer for this one is 43 minutes. Next, we're going to be focusing on how to change these into a mixed number. I need to break this apart into my factors of 3. So I'm trying to figure out how close to 26 I can get. Let's see, 26 divided by 3 won't go into the 2, but it'll go into 26. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. So 3 times 9 is too much, but 8 will work. So 26, 8 times 3 is 24. I have a remainder of 2. So I will write that 2 as a fraction, as 2/3. So that is one solution, the preferred solution. But you can also use a calculator, and it's 26 divided by 3. It should be 8 and like 666666666. Yeah. So I'm going to type my answer as 8 space 2/3, 2/3. Hit submit. View the score. I got 4 out of 4. So that's all for this one.